Assalamualaikum. Thanks to ICAZ for the images. Now, I will introduce myself. I am Kainat from University of Education, Lahore, and I will present about the role of sesame meal in improvement of body composition, mineral absorption, and immunological indices of some of the Caprina Sarpio fingerlings. So, first of all, contents. First, abstract. Next, introduction, methodology, results, and last, conclusion. So, I will discuss about the abstract. As we know that fish meal prices have increased, so alternate plant protein-based sources are used. We use sesame seed meal, plant-based protein source in the happiness sarpu finger in the diet of happiness sarpu fingerlings. We have prepared 6 test diet levels having different percentage levels, and from whole research works we manifested that when Kapina's RP fingerlings fed on test diet 3 means we 20% replacement of sesame meals with fish meals show better result. But if further increase the replacement levels, it may negatively affect the fish performance. So next, introduction. In introduction, first of all, what is aquaculture? Aquaculture is the farming of variety of aquatic species which fulfill the demands and rapidly flourish source of animal proteins. And next, intensive system. Intensive systems requires processed means artificial feed and which feed accounts for 50 to 60% of total expenditures. Next, sesame seed meals. Sesame is a drought tolerant crops and sesame are oil seeds which help in immune systems, and the nutritional values of sesame seed meals weigh 45 to 50% lipids and 50 to 20% protein, 10 to 50% carbohydrates, and 47.1 to 52.9% proteins are present. Next, what is the purpose of study? The main purpose to find the sesame seed meals on body composition of the penis second to determine the effect of sesame seed meal on mineral absorption and immunological indices, and third to find the suitable level of sesame seed meal for the penis fingerlings. Next, we discuss about methodology. Methodology consists of basically 5 steps: fish and experimental conditions, experimental designs, third, formation of feed pellets, which are the most important. First, all feed ingredients were weighted and then add fish oils to make the appropriate dose, and when dough is prepared using pelleting machine to make the pellets. Next, feeding protocols: feed at 4% live weight and feeding period about 2 hours. And last, sample collections. Sample collection of feces done after 3 hours of washing. Next, which parameters are studied? Basically, 3 parameters are studied: body composition, immunological indices, and mineral absorption. In body composition, fat, protein, and gross energy are studied, and immunological indices, white blood cells, lymphocytes, monocytes, and neutrophils are studied. And different minerals are studied in mineral absorptions. For the crude fats measurements, Souther systems are used, and for the measurements of crude proteins, microgyral apparatus are used. And third, for the measurements of gross energy, oxygen bomb thermometers are used. Next, for the analysis of immunological indices, first blood samples are collected from fish and then made a thin smears of blood samples, where lymphocytes means white blood cells are counted. Next, statistical analysis. Statistics of mineral absorption, Tartar's composition, and immunological indices were subject to one-way analysis of variance. Next, the table of ingredient composition of types, where different levels of sesame seed meals are added as the replacement of fish meals. Next, results. First of all, a result of Karthas composition. In Karthas composition, protein, fat, gross energy, and ash parameters shows the best results at test diet 3, where 20% replacement levels, and shows the lowest value at test diet 6, where 50% of sesame meals are replaced with fish meals. And this slide also shows the similar graphical representations of Karthas compositions. Next, immunological indices. In immunological indices, white blood cells, monocytes shows highest value at test height 20, and eosinophils, lymphocytes shows highest value at test height 15. And neutrophils shows the highest value at test height 1, where are the control systems. And this also the similar results are observed in graphical representations. Next, mineral composition in diet. In the diet of sesame seeds, all the minerals shows the similar composition, and the mineral composition in feces, different minerals when are treated in feces. Calcium, iron, zinc, and manganese shows the highest value at tested ones, and uh, phosphorus, sodium, copper, potassium, manganese, and chromium shows the highest value at tested seeds. And different minerals are also absorbed, uh, and calcium, sodium, potassium, and phosphorus shows the highest value at test height 3, where 20% replacement levels, and copper and manganese shows highest value at test height 2. And this is the graphical representation of mineral absorptions. And so last is the conclusions. We concluded that when partial replacement of fish meal with sesame meals at 20% shows better results in the body of the Leprinus means improve the body composition, immunological indices, and mineral absorptions of the Leprinus in the lungs. And so last the references, and last, thank you so much for your attention.